All right, so we're going to look at the first lesson in Goal 6. Goal 6 is about polynomials. Okay, so an example of a polynomial would be something like this, 2v squared minus 4v minus 7. So polynomials are a combination of coefficients. Okay, the coefficients here being the 2, negative 4. All right, coefficients are just what's in front of the variables. Variables and exponents. All right, so coefficients here are the 2, negative 4, the variables v, and the exponents, we have just the 2, and there's the 1 that's understood to be above the v. Okay, and polynomials can be combined with basic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, so some examples of polynomials. Negative 3 is a polynomial. It's a constant. Okay, 3x is a polynomial. X squared minus 4x plus 3 is a polynomial. And then we could have really long polynomials like x to the 4th plus x to the 3rd minus x squared plus 7x minus 12. Okay. Notice that in polynomials, they go in what's called descending order, meaning it goes from an exponent of 4 to 3 to 2 to, remember, there's understood to be an exponent of 1 up here, and then the constant term. So this is called descending order, the proper order of a polynomial. Okay, one thing polynomials can never have is division by a variable. So this is not a polynomial. So let's say we have x squared plus 3x plus 10 over x, okay? This is not a poly, okay? Because of this term, division by a variable, it's not going to be a polynomial. All right, so let's start getting into some of the arithmetic of polynomials, addition, subtraction, and the next couple of lessons following this will be multiplication, division, which gets more involved. All right, so to add polynomials, we're going to combine like terms. And then write in descending order, okay, if necessary. If it's out of order, you need to get it back into order. All right, so let's take a look at an example like that. 2x squared minus x plus 5 plus 4x squared plus 3x plus 3. Okay, we're going to start by removing the parentheses. 2x squared minus x plus 5. And I'm going to line up the like terms underneath each other. 4x squared plus 3x plus 3. Okay? And all we're going to do is combine these like terms. So 4x squared and 2x squared over here. We're going to keep that x squared. Just combine the coefficients. That makes 6x squared. Negative x plus 3x, positive 2x. Positive 5 and positive 3 makes positive 8. And this is already in descending order because it goes exponent of 2, exponent of 1, constant. All right, so the next one, 2v squared minus 4v minus 7 plus 5v squared minus 6v plus 1. Okay, so notice I have like terms directly underneath each other. So that's going to combine to 7v squared minus 10b minus 6. Okay, and that's really all that there is to adding polynomials. It's just essentially combining like terms. Okay. So for subtraction, there's an extra step. To subtract polynomials, we're going to distribute any negatives when removing the parentheses. Okay, so over here, we have this negative or subtract that we're going to have to distribute through this second polynomial. Okay, so distribute any negatives when removing parentheses, which is the negative being the subtraction sign. And then combine like terms and write in descending order. All right, so let's take a look. So I'm going to keep the first polynomial like it is. So that's negative 2x cubed plus 7x squared minus 7x minus 4. And then I'm going to have to distribute this negative again. That's going to be minus 4x cubed minus x squared positive x squared minus 6x, and then we have minus 10. Okay, so I just distributed out in this line. Now I'm going to write like terms underneath each other. So we have negative 2x cubed plus 7x squared minus 7x minus 4. Okay, and I'm going to put the negative 4x cubed and then the plus x squared minus 6x and minus 10. All right, then from here we're going to combine negative 2x cubed and negative 4x cubed makes a negative 6x cubed. 7x squared and x squared makes an 8x squared, positive 8x squared. Negative 7x, negative 6x, negative 13x. Negative 4 and negative 10 make negative 14. Okay, and in the last one, we are combining three polynomials. So let's start by getting rid of the parentheses. 3u squared minus 9u plus 2. Notice this is positive, so I don't have to distribute anything here. I don't have to distribute that negative. So plus 7u squared plus 8u plus 8. Now we have subtraction, so we have to distribute that negative to the three terms in this parentheses. So it's going to be plus 6u squared minus 3u, and then minus 8. Okay, so let's write like terms underneath each other. 3u squared minus 9u plus 2. 7u squared plus 8u, and then plus 8. 6u squared minus 3u minus 8. Okay, now we'll combine 3u squared, 7u squared, 6u squared combines to 16u squared. Negative 9u plus 8u minus 4u makes sorry, let me say that again. Negative 9u plus 8u makes negative 1u or negative u, and then minus 3u, negative 4u. Positive 2, positive 8 makes positive 10, minus 8, positive 2. Okay, we are done.